So I did an Instagram poll to see if anyone actually wanted to know how I do my self-portraits. This video idea kind of comes from this one YouTuber. I will link her channel down below. Actually, I'll link her video down below. And yeah, so the first thing that I do when I plan to do self-portraits or anything for something that I need to do is I figure out what I'm gonna wear. I recently cleaned it out. A lot of my clothes are from when I was 13, but it's fine. I think I'm gonna go with a shirt that I literally just cropped yesterday. Let's see what shoes and bottoms that I'm gonna wear with it. I really just wear like my overalls because I think that's the cutest thing in my closet at this point. Okay, so now that I have that part of the outfit, I can pick my shoes. And I have decided to wear those Vans with it. Yes. And now that that is all together, I can start figuring out where I want to shoot in my house or outside my house, anywhere around my house, because there is nowhere else to go, to be honest with you. So let's do that. Honestly, one of the hardest things to do is figure out a new place, because I feel like you guys have seen well, maybe here, I think that could be like a good one. I could get a few good shots out of that, or I could move some stuff around over there, see what I can do maybe with the step stool, the ladder. Yeah, so I think that garage is the move, so let's do that. Or maybe, actually, looks like I was just picking my nose. I promise I wasn't. Up there, maybe, probably that. I think that could be a good one. So maybe 2 locations. So well, 3. There, and there. Those are the 3 options. Actually, or maybe right there. Cause that's just a wall of green. I could take the step stool and put it there. Wow, I'm just a genius. So since it is still quite early in the morning, I'm gonna go and take my shower, and then I'm going to get ready for everything because I'm gonna let stuff charge. I'm probably gonna charge my portable speaker so that I can just play my music louder, because the key to a good shoot sometimes is good music. I really can't do them without it. I always have to play something from my computer. So I'm gonna go shower and then I'll be right back. I usually use Spotify. I've been listening to Super Duper Kyle recently, so I'm gonna be playing his album, Light of Mine, because it's really, really good. Now that I have this up, I'm gonna try and set up that little area right there. Okay, so some settings that I have to have on my camera is autofocus and a 2-second timer before I start to actually shoot what I'm gonna do. Another thing is that I always use the manual settings on the camera just because it's easier for me. My camera has a Wi-Fi connect kind of thing where it has its own Wi-Fi that I can connect to my phone, which is why I will not be recording the side stuff from my phone. I'll be recording it from my laptop. Let's see how that goes. But yeah, I think that's really it. I can get started. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna move locations over to that bush because that's a lot of green. Who doesn't appreciate a lot of green? So we're gonna see how this goes. I am a mess. It's so hot. Nature just wants to sing to me, and that's beautiful. Thank you so much. So I'm gonna pause this and then come back. And that is it for this part of the video, and I will see you inside. So it is the day after I took all those pictures, because I'm lazy, and also while I was editing, I realized that I didn't really explain anything. I just kind of took the pictures and left. But I'm gonna fix that right now because I made a note of all the things that I feel like I should let you guys know. So first off, I used the Canon T6i. For the pictures that I took yesterday, I used the 50mm. I think 1.4 lens, which is what I'm using right now too. So for me, what I do is I get the idea, I choose a location, I pick a playlist or like album or like a show to listen to. I set 2-second timer for my camera so that once I do connect it to my phone, I can just kind of go from there. I use manual mode because like it's easier to fix like the aperture and everything. It just makes my whole life a lot easier to use like the manual mode for my camera when I'm taking the pictures, because I feel like the auto, everything that's like auto, it's not really trustworthy because like things happen, lighting changes, and you know, it just doesn't really accommodate for that all the time. Stuff might be overexposed, it might be underexposed, just anything could really happen. And having like the use of the manual mode is really, really helpful for me. And this is like, the sun is attacking my face, but it's fine. I do recommend getting the Canon T6i for beginner photographers because this is the first camera that I got. I got it 2 years ago. I've had this for 2 years and I'm still not even that good at it yet. It's really good to learn with because it tells you everything. Like when you go into the settings and stuff, it shows you what stuff does, it tells you how it changes the way the picture is gonna look, and it's just really useful. Plus it has a flip out screen and it has the Wi-Fi function, which I know not a lot of cameras have. And if they do have that, they don't also have the flip out screen. So it makes it easier to start taking self-portraits, and there should be like an app for not only iOS but Android that you can use like the Camera Connect with. That way you can just take self-portraits wherever you go. I know that this has been super, super easy for me. I can't speak to like other cameras or anything because this is what I have, it's what I've always had, so I hope that helped. And that is really it for what I do for my self-portraits. I kind of want to do a video on why I take self-portraits. If you want to see that, comment below, comment on my most recent Instagram post. We want to see this or something like that. Say you're from YouTube, I don't know. But if you want to see a video of why I like to take self-portraits, just comment. Let me know and I'll do it because I already have an idea of what I want to say. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you like tag me in any of your self-portraits because I want to see this. I want to see all your beautiful faces. I want to see what you do. I want to see what you look like. I want to see everything because you're beautiful, you're handsome, you're everything in between. So I hope you enjoyed me rambling on about taking self-portraits. Follow me on Instagram if you don't already. Add me on Snapchat if you don't already have me. I hope this video has entertained you thoroughly. And if it hasn't, comment below. Let me know what I could do better. Dislike the video, like it, I don't know, just do something. Let me know what I'm doing wrong or what I'm doing right. And I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye. It's so hot. It's so hot. Why did I want to do this?
I wanna play root games, not no CPU. I wanna rhyme like Buster, sing like Usher too. I need a million things. Cars, clothes, whips, cribs, chains. They all wanna be like me. Play a little RPG. I wanna play root games, not no CPU. I wanna rhyme like Buster, sing like Usher too. I need a million things. Cars, clothes, whips, cribs, chains. They all wanna be like me. Play a little RPG. I wanna